Innovators, not imitators. That's Mills. Taking traditional products, talking to customers, and producing a modification or new products that save time, increase efficiency, and provide safer working practices. SolidWorks CAD/CAM engineering software, along with 3D printing, allow products to be brought to life and prototypes produced within days. Here are some of our latest innovations. Designed to facilitate the installation of overhead fiber drop cables, the Mills PSP pole tensioner ensures overhead cable drops are constantly tensioned when installed pole to pole or to the premise. Demonstrating a sustainable way to dispense draw rope, Mills Bobbin Mate allows bobbin draw rope to be easily dispensed and rewound using A-frames and X-boards. Helping to prevent back injuries, our Mills Extended Length No. 5 joint box lifter is ideal for taller engineers. Two products with efficiency very much in mind are the Mills Grip and Strip fiber strippers, which provide over 700 strips from one set of cartridges, and our Splicers clip-on holster kit, keeping all the essential fiber splices tools in one clip-on pouch. Time-saving next. The Mills double-decker cable A-frame can accommodate 6 reels of microduct being pulled simultaneously, while our stainless steel Cobra guide allows smooth dispensing of rod with no need to continually replace the plastic insert bush. Saving space and reducing waste, our coiled drop drum adapter is designed for efficient and controlled deployment of fiber drop cable for FTTH applications, using a traditional drop wire dispenser and eliminating the need for single-use plywood drums. A pre-drilled hole and keyring are now incorporated into all flush cutters and nippers, perfect for tethering when working at height. And no more failed installations from cable tie stubs, thanks to the Mills Flush Cutting Nipper, now used by most telecom operators. An efficient and effective light source is provided by the Mills Rechargeable Work Light, with over 3,000 lumens of light, which can be hung or clipped into most workspaces, making it ideal for cabinet work. Mills. Innovators, not imitators. We have many more exciting innovative products currently in production, so visit our website, millsltd.com, or follow us on LinkedIn to stay up to date with new developments.